Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I've been monetized for the last about 3.5 months, and today I've received my first payment. The threshold for payment is £60 per month, and because I only have a little channel, I've got 2,000 subscribers, but not everybody watches. I'm sort of like a frugality channel anyway, to save money, including DIY and reduced price items and stuff like that. Shopping frugally and buying things frugally, like clothes, toiletries, that sort of thing as well. So if you think you might be interested, please like, share and subscribe. And I'm going to show you now how it works. So in the YouTube studio, down the left hand side here, down here, I'm going to go to analytics, and then this window pops up. Sorry about the crack on the screen, my dog jumped on it. I will eventually replace it, but for now we're just going to get on with it. So I'm going to revenue, and then if you scroll down, this is how much you're earning. So as you can see, it was June, I think it was June 24th, I became monetized, and I earned £8.86. In July, I earned 49.68. So even with that 49 and £8 together, it still wasn't £60, so that's why they didn't send me it. And then in August, I got 42. So today they paid me 98 and change, so just under 99, and September ongoing is at 22.87. So with that £98, I've took a little bit away for tax, because I'm not sure if I'm going to get taxed on it or not. In the UK it's 20%, so I've kept all the £20 for that. I spent £20 on some shopping. I wanted to get some treats and see if I could find some reduced bargains, and I went out with £20 to get some stuff for the food bank, which I did today. I'll leave a link in the video at the end, and the rest I put in my savings, but it's only going to be there temporarily because it's going to go towards the plumbing bill, because I've just recently finished renovating the bathroom, everything, taking all the tiles off, putting all new tiles up, etc. But I need to pay a plumber to fit the new sink, toilet and bath. So this has sort of been an ongoing project for the last year, because I had to save up money to buy all the bits and bobs, and there's still another couple of things I need to buy, and then I've got to pay the plumber. Like today, I did some paint, and I painted the wall today and the woodwork. So it's still sort of ongoing, so that money will go towards, the change will go towards plumbing. I know it's a bit dull, but that's the reality of living on a low budget. So I went a little bit mad and spent £20 on stuff we didn't really need, but I did get some reduced stuff. And I also spent some money at the food bank as well. I spent £16.80. Excuse me, my throat's a bit dry. And I spent £18 and odds also on getting some stuff that we didn't need, but I wanted to get as a treat, because I've been running the channel for about 19 months, so this has been a long process. So as a treat, I've got a few bits for me and my son, and some bits that will go in the freezer. So what did I get? I got us a tub of Pringles each. These are £1.88 each, and I got some Guinness. Anyone who watches my channel will know I'm a Guinness person, so I treated myself to some Guinness, and I managed to get a couple of glasses over the last few weeks from the charity shop, Guinness glasses, so I'm really happy about that. So I'll have the Guinness and the Pringles, and my son will have the Pringles and these Chocky Fingers, because Chocky Fingers is one of his favourite things as well. And everything else I got, apart from a tub of dog food, was reduced. So what did I get? I got a quiche that was reduced to 85p, a cheese and onion ones that'll go in the fridge. I got 2 packets of pork pies. They were reduced twice, from a couple of quid down to 89. And pork farm ones. I got some reduced grapes for my son. He'll chop them up as soon as he gets any. He loves a grape. And they were £1.17. I got these little pudding things for me. Little chocolate trifle, caramel trifles, sweet and sickly. Don't need them, but they were 50p when they should have been 1.48. I got some salmon. First time I've seen any salmon reduced. And that was 1.51. From nearly £3, and it says on the thing that you can freeze it, so that's going to go in the freezer. My son doesn't like salmon, but I do, so I'll have that with a bit of broccoli and some mash. That would be lovely. And I got these little mini pizzas because I often buy pizzas and have them for lunch, and they were all, should have been 50p each, and they were reduced twice to 24p. So those 4 pizzas will go in the freezer, as will the salmon and the pork pies, and Quiche will get eaten over the next couple of days. I'll probably give a pork pie to the dog, to be honest. She's partial to a pork pie because she's part of the family as well, so why not? And some things that we didn't need, but as a treat, because it's the first time I've received a payment off YouTube, I thought, well, why not? And please check out my video for the food bank donation, and if you can possibly too, try and give a little something to your food bank, even if it's just one thing, because I know everywhere supplies are running low, because despite what politicians think, the cost of living crisis is still well and truly here. So bye for now, and I hope to see you soon.